So just after virtually decades of rumors, leaks, and reviews, Samsung's introduced its foldable smartphone. Samsung Phone calls it the Galaxy Fold, and it seems pretty damn amazing. Completely ready to learn additional? Let us dive appropriate in. We obtained a rather extensive glimpse at the Galaxy Fold at Samsung's Unpacked launch party, but it was all from a length. The business failed to enable anyone see the cell phone and human being at the occasion. You will find now an approximately 5-moment movie from Samsung showing every solitary angle of the product, in man or woman and in use. The video comes with no commentary or even history music, which is a little bit odd, but the crucial part is the visuals. Not only do we get close-up shots of every single angle of the cell phone, in various colors, but we see it staying utilized in dual demonstrations that go perfectly past what Samsung showed up to this point. We can see total views of how the interface will perform, as perfectly as applications and even the digital camera. It at last occurred. After years of anticipation, Samsung finally declared the Galaxy Fold. There is certainly a lot to unpack with it, so be sure to examine out our announcement short article and retain studying beneath for all of the details. Samsung announces the Galaxy Fold, its prolonged-awaited foldable cell phone. The primary spotlight of the Galaxy Fold is that it has two displays, just one on the exterior and a difference that is uncovered when you open up the cell phone up. The outer show is a 4.6-inch HD plus tremendous AMOLED panel with a 21:9 aspect ratio. The interior/key display screen of the Galaxy Fold is a significant 7.3-inch QXGA plus Dynamic AMOLED canvas with an aspect ratio of 4.2:3. You can use the outer show for just about anything you would routinely use your telephone for, which include texting, producing calls, shelling out infinite hours on Twitter, you title it. On the other hand, the massive draw to the Galaxy Fold is that you can open it up and get tablet-like working experience in a gadget you can simply suit in your pocket. In getting for the Galaxy Fold to be opened and closed, Samsung's working with a strong hinge system. Here's how the organization describes it. Galaxy Fold opens efficiently and the natural way, like a book, and closes flat and compact with an enjoyable click. To achieve this, Samsung engineered an advanced hinge with many interlocking gears. This procedure is housed in a concealed enclosure for a seamless and stylish glance. The likelihood of a machine like the Galaxy Fold is actually exciting and based mostly on what we have seen so much. Samsung's executing anything it can to get the complete most out of it. For one particular matter, when you're working with the Galaxy Fold with its key 7.3-inch display screen, you can get up to 3 apps simultaneously at the time. Even far more thrilling, Samsung's working with the Galaxy Fold to introduce a new feature termed App Continuity. Let us say you are utilizing the Galaxy Fold with its 4.6-inch show to browse Twitter and occur across an online video you want to observe. If you open up the Galaxy Fold to access its greater screen, Twitter will instantly open up right in which you left off to tie the whole expertise collectively. That's really interesting. When it will come to cameras, Samsung's not cutting any corners with the Galaxy Fold. On the cell phone, you will come across a full of 6 cameras. This is what they're packing. Rear camera 1, 16 megapixels ultra-wide, f2.2 aperture. Rear camera 2, 12 megapixels wide angle, f1.5 and f2.4 aperture. Rear camera 3, 12 megapixels telephoto, f2.4 aperture. Front camera 1, 10 megapixels selfie f2.2 aperture. Front camera 2, 8 megapixels depth sensor, f1.9 aperture. Front camera when folded, 10 megapixels selfie, f2.2 aperture. Yep, when Samsung launches the Galaxy Fold on April 26, it is going to expense you a whopping, coronary heart-halting, $1,980. While that's certainly a gobload of revenue, we really should give credit where credit is thanks. The Galaxy Fold is the initial gadget of its kind to strike the marketplace, and contemplating how a great deal bleeding-edge technological innovation it is applying in that the Galaxy S10 Plus by now has a starting up the cost of $1,000, it would undoubtedly be even worse. Alongside with that, Samsung's also together with high-quality packing with the Galaxy Fold and throwing in a cost-free pair of its Galaxy Buds, a $130